отивам, тръгвам, пристигам, идвам, вървя, ходя. Have you heard any of the options to say to go in Bulgarian? Hi, my name is Пламена and welcome to our YouTube channel. Здравейте и добре дошли в нашия YouTube канал с Кристина Прогрес. Аз съм Пламена и днес ще говорим за глаголи за движение. Today we are going to talk about verbs for movement, one of the most confusing and requested topics during classes because everybody goes somewhere and we have options in Bulgarian. Some of them are interchangeable, absolutely, some of them are not. And today we are going to see how we use them and what small words or prepositions go with each of them, what phrases we can form, and respectively what sentences we can use these verbs and prepositions in. So, welcome to my wonderful blackboard. Here today I have 3 timelines to represent the different ideas that we are going to see today. So, in the top one, we have from left to right, the movement that we are going to do, and we start from a house and we end at a metro station, for example. So, beginning of anything and everything, when we talk about occasion, when we talk about time, when we talk about even material, we use от in Bulgarian, from, and от къщата до метрото, to or until for do. That is the final destination, pretty much. От до, from to. Amazing. But as we can see, we have other words also that are possible. So, when we have to pass through, we can always say prez. Or pass by, we can use край. And this will be here in the middle of the journey that we are having. However, when we still want to say where we are going towards, we can say към or за. Both of them will give you your idea, your destination that you are going to, but they are not to exactly. It gives you more the direction that you are moving towards. And when we are in the metro station, we will say в метрото съм. However, when we have the verbs to combine with all these small words, the confusions come. As we can see, we have quite a few over here. So, with от, from the first point that we start, we can have тръгвам, заминавам, излизам. От вкъщи. Тръгвам от офиса. I'm leaving the office to go somewhere. Заминавам от София. I depart from Sofia. Заминавам в командировка. I'm leaving for a business trip. And here is very confusing very often between тръгвам and заминавам because both of them in English can be translated with to leave. However, тръгвам is more everyday to leave, while заминавам implies that you are packing your bags, you're going on a journey somewhere, or you just expect a lot of traveling to occur after that. And излизам, to go out. So, излизам от стаята. I'm going out of the room. Or I'm leaving the room. Both sentences in English are translated with излизам от стаята. And then, when we travel, we can have пътувам, отивам, вървя, ходя. And then, we can add to them where we are traveling to or towards to. So, come, towards, до, to, за, for or about. So, пътувам към Бургас. I'm traveling to Burgas, towards Burgas, but I'm not there yet. I'm just in that general direction of Burgas. Отивам до магазина. I'm going to the store. You can absolutely say пътувам до магазина, of course, but it will imply still traveling, going on a vehicle. While отивам, ходя, вървя, you can go with your car, you can use your feet, it doesn't matter. Then we have отивам за домати. I'm going for tomatoes. Ходя до работа пеша. I'm going to work by foot. Or вървя за работа. I'm walking to work. And then when we arrive here in the metro station, we can have влизам в метростанцията. Стигам метростанцията. Even without anything. Or стигам в Burgas. I arrive in Burgas. And пристигам is the end of заминавам. So, пристигам to arrive at your final destination. Very often when we have vehicles like planes and trains, this is what we are going to use. Пристигам. В. In. And that is how we will combine them. So, let's make one big sentence now. For example, I'm leaving from Sofia. I'm traveling by plane to London, for example. Тръгвам от София, пътувам с самолет и пристигам в Лондон. Or тръгвам от София и отивам до Лондон с самолет. Also possible. You can absolutely use this here almost interchangeably. However, пътувам more to travel, while every day отивам, ходя, вървя. When you walk by foot, you can absolutely say вървя or ходя only, but my general advice is to add пеша, by foot. Now, I'm coming and I'm going, and what's going on here? Идвам and дойда. Two different words, but they are the two aspects actually of one and the same, to come. And it's very different from all the others that we just saw now, in the way that it refers somehow, some way to the listener or to the speaker. So if I want to say I'm coming to you, I will say идвам при теб. Идвам към теб. I'm coming towards you. But all the others, отивам, ходя, заминавам, пътувам, тръгвам, usually refer to a third location. So they will not have anything in common with these people over here. So this person over here, he's talking to these people on the other side. So he will say идвам при вас. Идвам към вас. Ще дойда при вас. Искам да дойда с вас. I want to come with you. In all those sentences, you will have something that is connected to this group of people. But if he's talking about something else or somebody else, he will not use идвам or дойда. He will choose to use one of the others. He will say отивам на фитнес. I'm going to the gym. Ходя в парка всяка събота. I go to the park every Saturday. Заминавам на почивка. I'm leaving for a vacation. But he will not use идвам for the vacation or any of the other examples before that. I hope this makes sense, and if you have any further similar confusions, please let us know, comment below, like the video if you find it useful, and we are more than happy when you have any requests, so feel free to share what they are. Thank you very much for watching and see you in our next video. Bye for now.